decimal numbers. Operation today, which one we are going to do? Today we are going to do multiplication. Means how to multiply two decimal numbers. Clear? So let's start with it. Firstly, first thing, if two decimal numbers are given like this, 13.75 and 5.5, if you want to multiply these two numbers, how to do? You have to multiply as you are multiplying a simple whole number. Means you have to forget about decimal points and then straight away multiply. Like firstly I will multiply 5 with 5, then 5 with 7, then 5 with 3, and then 5 with 1. After multiplying it, I will multiply with another 5 and then we will add it. When we add it, we get the answer 7, 5, 6, 2, 5. Clear? Then you will see 13.75. In 13.75, how many decimal places? 2. 7 and 5. There are 2 places. And in 5.5, how many decimal places? Only 1. So 2 plus 1, it comes 3. Now, student, you have to put a decimal after 3 numbers. But you have to count the decimal numbers from the back side. So when you count it, then the decimal come after 75, means 75.625 come. Clear? Means the first step is to multiply the number as you are doing in whole numbers. Clear? So let's start the activity 2. Activity 2 is find the product. A part is 36.5. You have to multiply by 5. So how you have to do? You have to multiply as you do whole numbers. Means you forget the dot sign. Clear? Now 5 5s are 25. So 2 will come as a carry. 5 6 are 30. 30 plus 2 is 32. And then come 3. So this 3 will goes on 3. 5 3s are 15. 15 plus 3 is 18. Now we will see how many decimal places are there. First is having only 1 and second does not have. So decimal will come after 1 place and you always put from the back side. So after 5 it comes. So this is your answer. Clear? Now we do B part. B part, firstly we multiply by 9. Clear? Because 5.2125 you have to multiply by 19. So in 19, firstly you will multiply by 1's place number, that is 9. 9 5s are 45. So 5 will come here, 4 will go on 2. Clear? 9 2s are 18. 18 plus 4 is 22. Clear? So 2 will come on 1. 9 1s are 9. 9 plus 2 is 11. So now 1 come on 2. 9 2s are 18. 18 plus 1 is 19. So now what come on 5. 9 5s are 45. 45 plus 1 is 46. Clear? Now multiply sign. Now you will multiply by 1. When you multiply any number by 1, you get a same number. So same number will come here. 5 2 1 2 5. Clear? Now you plus them. So when you plus them, answer come 5 7 3 10 9 and then again 9 come. So decimal will come after 4 places, because here how many places are there? 4 decimal places. So decimal places short form is DP. So 1 1 2 3 4. So decimal will come here after 99. So answer is 99.0375. Clear? Now we do C part. In C part, forget this decimal. Multiply firstly with 2. First come 2, 2, 2, 2. Now going to next number, firstly you have to put multiply sign. Then you multiply by 9. Now you have to add them. 2, 11, 9, 10, 11. 12 again, 10. So decimal is after 2 numbers. So here it comes. So answer is 10 to 2.12. Clear, students? Now we do next part, that is D part. Here firstly we multiply by 4. 4 6 are 24. 2 will come on 8. 4 8 are 32. 32 plus 2 is 34. Multiply sign. Then you have to go to 1. 1 6 are 6. 1 8 are 8, because when you multiply any number by 1, same number come. Now 4, 10, 1 will come on 3. 8 plus 3 plus 1 is 12. Now you have to put a decimal. Here decimal is after one place, means one decimal place is there, and here also one decimal place. So total becomes 2. So decimal will come after two numbers. So answer is 12.04. Clear, students? Now on the behalf of this we do word problem of activity 2. All the word problem are same. So let's start. First word problem is cost of a pen. A pen means one pen cost is 25.35. You have to find the cost of 45 pen. You know that when we move from one to many, we always do multiply. Here also we are moving from one to many, so we will do multiply. Statement you get from the question only, cost of one pen. So you write cost of one pen is equals to rupees 25.35. Then cost of 45 pens will be 25.35 into 45. Now you have to multiply. 5 5s are 25. 2 will go on 3. Clear? 5 3s are 15. 15 plus 2 is 17. So 1 will go on 5. 5 5s are 25. 25 plus 1 is 26. So 2 will go on 2. 5 2s are 10, or it comes 12. Now we move to next number, that is 4. 4 5s are 20. 2 will go on 3. So 4 3s are 12. 12 plus 2 is 14. 1 will go on 5. Now 4 5s are 20. 20 plus 1 is 21. 2 goes on 2. 4 2s are 8. 8 plus 2 is 10. Clear? Now you have to add them. When you add them, answer comes 5, 7, 10. 1 go on 2. It becomes 4. Then 1 will come as it is. 1 will come as it is. So decimal is after two numbers. So answer is rupees. You can put a rupees sign like this manner also. 114.0.75. Clear? This is your answer number 3. Hence line is mandatory and unit is also necessary to put. Clear? Now we do question number 4. Question number 4 is same like question number 3, only car covers. So what the car is covering? Car is covering distance. So distance covered in 1 hour is 40.5 kilometer, and you have to find distance covered in 18 hours. So what you have to do? You have to write like this manner. Distance covered in 1 hour is 40.5 kilometer. Distance will cover in 18 hours. What do you have to do? You have to multiply 40.5 with 80. Now see, firstly I multiply by 8. 8 5s are 40. Clear? So 40 will come as it is, because 8 zeros are 0. So 8 5s are 40 come. 8 4s are 32. So here come 32. Now we move to next number, that is 1. When we move to next number 1, answer come 5, 0, 4. Because when we multiply any number by 1, we get a same number. So there will come 9, 2, 7. Now we put a decimal. Decimal is after one number. So answer will be 729.0. You can also write like this manner. Hence the distance will cover in 18 hours. There is less space. So answer is 729 kilometer. Units are compulsory to put. Understood? Like this manner we do question number 4. Now we do question number 5. 1 kg of rice cost, means cost is given of 1 kg of rice, that is 75.50. You have to find the cost of 4 kg of rice. So what do? You have to multiply. Clear? So let's see. Cost of 1 kg of rice is 75.50. Cost of 4 kg of rice is 75.50 into 4. Then you have to multiply. 4 zeros are 0. 4 5s are 20, 2 will go on 5, 5 4s are 20, 20 plus 2 is 22, 2 will go on 7, 7 4s are 28, 30. Understood? There is no other number, so you will stop here. Now you put a decimal. Decimal will come after two numbers. So answer will be 302. Clear? Because after decimal only 0 zeros are coming, so it does not have any marks for it. So you have to write only 302 over here. Clear? Now we do dividing decimals by 10, 100,000. When you divide the number by 10, 100,000, what to do? In multiplication, when you multiply the decimal numbers by 10, 100,000, you always move from left to right. In decimal will move from left to right. Now here in division, it will move from right to left. Clear? The things are same. See here, if you are dividing the number by 10, you have to move the decimal point one place to left. Means if it is here and there is only 1 0, so this decimal will come before 3. So your answer will be 0.314. Clear? Now see this one part. 44.5 divided by 1000. How many zeros? 3. So decimal will be moved 3 places. So it will come 0.0445. Here also you see 49.1 divided by 10, 1 0. So it will be moved before 9. It will be 4.91. Same like this. Now see 4.8. How many zeros? 2. So this decimal will move 2 places. 1 and 1 more. So there is not any another number, so we put a 0. So answer will be 0.048. Clear? As you have done in multiplication, same like we do in decimal in division. Clear? Now here are 3 zeros, so you will move 3 places to the left. But we are having 2, so what do? You put a 0. So you put 0.02392. Clear, students? Now on the basis of this, we do activity 3, question number 1. Find the quotient in each of the following. 25.75. You have to divide by 0. So now this decimal will move to left hand side. So your answer will be 2.575. Clear? Now 1. So you move here. So answer will be 6.78. Now 30. No decimal. It means decimal is here. So we shift 3 places to the left. So answer will be 5.047. Clear? Now we do DEF part. 2 zeros. So we shift 2 places to the left. So answer will be 0.8075. Clear? 3 zeros. So you shift 3 places. So answer will be 0.2154. Clear? 1 0. So you shift 1 place. So you know before decimal you have to put 1 0 and your answer will be 0.09. Clear, students? Now we do next question. In next question, find the quotient in each of the following. Means 2.74 you have to divide by 20. How you divide? Firstly, you split 20 in 2 parts. Means 2.74 you have to write like this manner. Means 10 into 2. Clear? Now it will come. Now there is 1 0 means 2.74 you have to divide. Now how to multiply 2.74 by 20? First of all, we write 2.74 as it is, and now 20 I will split into 2 into 10. Clear? Now what I do, I will divide 2.74 by 10. Students, as you all know, when any number you divide by 10, that number will shift 1 place to the left. So when I divide these numbers by 10, So your answer will be 0.274. Clear? Now 0.274 you have to divide by 2, because 2.74 when you divide by 10, so it will shift to left hand side only one place. So answer will come 0.74. Now you have to divide by 2. Now 0.274 when you divide by 2, 0.274 divide by 2. Firstly you divide it in a simple manner, means 2 ones are 2, minus it, 7 come down, 2 3s are 6, 1 come as it is 14, 2 7s are 14. Clear? Now decimal is after 3 places, your answer will be 0.137, because decimal come after 1 2 3, so decimal will come after 3 places. Clear? Now we do B part. Again 27.3 we write down as it is. 2000 we will write it like this manner, 1000 into 2, means you have to divide these number by 3. So 3 zeros are there, so it means 3 places this decimal will shift. So answer will be 0.0273. Clear? Because 3 places it will shift, and now you have to divide by 2. Clear? So 0.0273 when you divide 0.0273 by 2. Firstly you will divide by 2 the number, 2 ones are 2, 0 come, now you take 7 down, 2 3s are 6, minus it, answer comes 1, now 3 come down, 12s are 6, now 1 come. As you know that after decimal how many zeros you want, you can take, you put a 0 here. Clear? So it comes 10, 5s. So decimal will come after how many digits? It will come after 1 2 3 4 5. So answer will be 0.01365. Clear? This is your answer. Now we do C part. Solution 68.4, 30. So 30 will be written as 10 plus 3, means you have to divide this number by 10, and you know when you divide this, decimal will shift one place over here. So answer will be 6.84, and down what left? 3. Clear? Now you have to divide 6.84 by 3. So 6.84 when you divide by 3, 3 2s are 6, minus it, answer come 0. Now you take 8 down, don't see decimal, decimal we will put at the end. 3 2s are 6, again minus them, answer come 2, 4 come down, 3 8s are 24. Now your answer come 0. So decimal is after 2 numbers, so your answer will be 2.28. This is your answer. Clear? So students, today you have learned how to divide the number by 10, 100, 1000, and then you learn if you are dividing any number by 20, 430 which are having zeros at the end, how to divide them. Clear? And even you have done how to multiply the numbers with the decimal numbers. If there are two decimal places in two number, you will put decimal after two number, and you put a decimal from the back side. And in question, when you divide the number by 10, 100, 1000, your numbers means having the decimal, it will that decimal will shift from right to left. It is a reciprocal of multiplication. I hope you understand today's lecture. Thank you and have a nice day.